Hi there, welcome back to the Advanced Level series of the 7-Figure Mastery Program. In this module, we'll share with you more strategies and tactics in creating an effective Google AdWords campaign. Strategy and tactic number 4, coming up with killer ads. Your ads have two important goals: to attract potential and qualified customers to click on your ads instead of your competitors, to keep the non-related and unqualified customers at bay by not clicking your ads. When you have more relevant clicks, you generate more sales. When you do not have unwanted traffic clicking on your ads, you would eventually save more money as it adds to your profit margin. Now the question is, how do you direct the qualified customers to your ad? Well, you would need to master the art of composing killer ads. There are 3 key components to your AdWords campaign. 1. Headline. 2. Description line, 1 and 2. 3. Display URL. Let's look into the specifics of these components. First, let's look at the headline. The headline should be your main focus, as it's what your prospects will be looking at first. Moreover, AdWords only allows a maximum of 30 characters per headline, so you'll have to make every character count. One proven way to construct a compelling headline is by speaking to your customer's end goal. Do not ask them questions that they are already asking themselves and what they already know the answer for. Let me give you an example. If your customer's searching for pesticides for their crops, you shouldn't have your headline as "Searching for pesticides," which can be redundant. Instead, give them the answer that they're looking for and what they want to achieve. Therefore, your ad headline should be written in this manner: "Get rid of pests once and for all. Save your crops." Give them the solution. For your descriptions line 1 and 2, you only are given 35 characters. Reiterate your offer as effectively as possible. Remember to include your USP as well as your call to action to prompt your customers. Another powerful tool to boost your click-through rate is by using the countdown timer, a feature introduced by Google. This feature can also be inserted in your AdWords campaign, which will instill a psychological force known as loss aversion to your prospects. Sometimes people are motivated by the idea of not wanting to be left behind than the idea of gaining something new. Therefore, by adding the simple feature of having an end date to your offer and including a real-life countdown on your ad will surely inject a fear of loss in your prospects. Last but not least, look at the display URL. Often, this is ignored by most users. The display URL is an important marketing feature if you know how to structure it. Most users will find the easy way out by just copying and pasting their domain name. Instead, what you can do is include your offer, your call to action, or even your USP that will make your URL unforgettable. Let's take a look at the context of the pesticides that we used earlier on. www.domain.com/proven-pesticides. www.domain.com/pests-control. www.domain.com/unharmful-pesticides. Mastering these will increase your click-through rate, CTR, which in turn will boost your quality score and lower your cost per click, or CPC. Strategy and tactics number 5, conversion tracking. A conversion can be defined as an action made by a customer after they viewed or clicked on your ads. This may be them purchasing a product from your website, signing up for your newsletter, calling to get to know more of what your business is all about, etc. Conversion tracking is a free tool provided by Google AdWords, which shows you exactly what happens after a customer views or clicks your ads. Why use conversion tracking? Conversion tracking tracks your keywords and ads progress. If you skip this step, you'll never have an idea on which keywords, ads, ad groups, and campaigns are generating money and which ones are only pulling your resources down. Having your conversion tracking data is very useful as it provides you the space to tweak your strategies and align your budget. Some of the popular indicators you can use to track your conversions are as follows: lead and contact form submissions, content downloads, sign-ups or subscriptions, phone calls, online sales. Let's illustrate an example on how you can track your conversions, for example, via online sales. Assuming that you're operating an online boutique specializing in denim jackets. To track conversions, you add a single snippet of JavaScript code to the confirmation page where your users will view after they've paid for their purchase. In this case, you'll be tracking clicks on your AdWords campaign that converts into purchases. Let's say that you make $40 on each denim jacket you sell. With the aid of conversion tracking, you can identify how much you spend on advertising your goods. In this context, let's say you spend about $10 for each purchase your ad generates. As a result, your return on investment, or ROI, is $30. This shows that your business is generating a positive value as you are gaining more than what you've spent.